Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. As we learned in the previous classes about the national movements and the partition of India. So there we learn about is that India supported in the World War II or not? What are the group of countries in the World War II? Who led the World War II? In the two groups, one is Germany side and also the other one is British side. And why British was not given independence to the India? What are the different opinions of different parties in the region of England about Labour Party and also the Conservative Party? And we also learn about the development of Muslim League and RSS, and we also learn the demands of our Muslim League, and we also learn about Pakistan resolution, because once upon a time the Pakistan is called as Pakistan. So we know that P for Punjab, A for Afghan, K for Kashmir, and also that other Sindhu, and also that Kazakhstan. So these are part together is called as Pakistan. So the demands of Muhammad Ali, we also learned that Muhammad Iqbal's speech main intention, and also the Chaudhary Ali's ideology also. So before of 1930s, but from which year onwards this demands was increased? We know that so before of 1940s Muslim League and other parties, they don't have that much demand for the separate state. From the 1940 onwards, the demand has come because of the domination of the Muslim League, and Muslim League is also became a popular from the time of 1940 onwards. So before of 1940, so there is no demand of separate state or else called a separate country, and everyone, even in the region of Bengal, which was divided, that East Bengal and that is called as West Bengal. So East Bengal presently it is called as Bangladesh, and also that Punjab is also area, some half of area of Punjab is taken by Pakistan. So in every place which was divided after 1947, but there is no much demand either side. So there is a lot of, one more thing is can say that how the Quit India movement was developed, and what is the important movement of Mahatma Gandhi. There's a third movement of Mahatma Gandhi. At the time of Quit India movement, what is the role of Indian national leaders and also the Muslim League, and what are the problems was happened in the region of India, and why Japan wants to occupy that India at the time of World War II. And also we learned after the war, after the surrender of Japan, what happened to the INA, Indian National Army's positions, and how the British they treated them, that Indian National Army, and why the Navy of India they led that movement against of the British government. And also we learned that textile workers, some other different type of peasants are also supported. Finally, in 1945, British accepted to give independence to the India, but as a primary aspect, the British wants to transfer powers to the India, except two positions. One is Viceroy and the Defense Secretary. Remain all the positions is comes under the control of the India. And every party was accepted, but the Muslim League came with the demand that is a separate state in the fight at the time of 1945. Let us see that how the position was changed in 1946 and also the 1947, how India and Pakistan was divided. So today I am going to complete this lesson. So once see that a possible alternative, a possible alternative to the partition. Finally, in March 1946, British decided to transfer powers to the India. So because of that aspect, they sent 3 members committee to India. One is, we know, the Sir Stanford Cripps is a minister of British. He came to India in 1940s also for talking to the Indian leaders for supporting in the World War II. Similarly, in 1946 March, British appointed 3 members committee. One is called as Sir Stanford Cripps, one is called as Frederick Lawrence, and other one is Alexander. So these are the 3 important members of British, and British, they sent these 3 members to the India to talk with the Indian and also that all the party leaders. Finally, they want to give that alternative and also that main step for transferring of the power. So these are the 3 members. They came to Delhi for negotiations, means for discussions with the Indian leaders. So they decided to give that alternative things. So these are the members. They toured the country more than for 3 months of time, and they made that lot of interviews with the public and discussions with the princely states and princely rajas with all the members. Finally, they came with the 3-tier system. It means they came with the 3 alternative systems for transferring of the power. So almost everyone is happy with the 3 alternative things, but one is Muslim League, one is the Congress party was not accepted with the theory and with that given by the Cripps, Lawrence and Alexander. So because of that, this alternative was shortlist. It means short. It was become that very short. It means no Muslim League was not Muslim League, and also that Congress was not accepted because Congress doesn't like that 2-nation theory from the starting onwards, because the Congress want that India, it means almost all the things together, Bangladesh and also the Pakistan and India together, it wants by the Congress party. But Muslim League doesn't like this idea. So the reason they are feeling that they want the separate thing. So because the 3-tier system, 3 alternative things was given by these members was, one is division of country based upon the religion. One is they want to be maintain the same as what they are following that. Another one is they want to divide the country based upon 2 or 3 countries. So because of all the things, there are some parties was accepted, but some of the parties was not accepted the theories and also the alternatives given by these 3 members. Finally, Muslim League is feeling that, YAML means Muslim League. Muslim League is feeling that it is not easy. Once it is not easy, even that with the discussions we cannot solve the problems, and that government is also not accepted. So with the discussions and the negotiations, we cannot get that country. So they decided for going for direct action. So for direct action, it was taken on 1946, 16th August. It is called as Direct Action Day. So they decided to go for direct action. So the reason Direct Action Day was decided in 1946, 16th August of 16th. So at the day, the people of East Bengal side, where the Muslims are majority, even that northwestern side, that you can say that northwestern means present Pakistan and also some parts of Punjab. In those areas, the people, they came onto the streets. They started for riots, dharnas and the strikes. With that, they are demanding for separate country, that is for Pakistan. So this is in a one biggest critical time. At the time of 1946, 16th February, lot of people was lost their life on these issues, because lot of tensions was created. police was started that lathi charge and also the shooting. So it means in this at this time country was in very biggest foil. So a lot of problem was occurred. So because of this incident, lot of people was lost their life either in the region of Pakistan, even in the region of Bangladesh at the time also. So finally, when this one is happened in 1947 March, Congress party they accepted because after this incidents, because Muslim League was decided to going with the direct action day. In this direct action day, a lot of people they came onto the roads and the streets. They are doing their dharnas and the strikes because of this all the incident. A lot of people they lost their life. By seeing that, Congress leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, a lot of leaders are there. Even that Maulana Azad is also one of the important leader of Congress party. These all members together they decided that. So why we can't support that people of Muslims? So they accepted that two theory, two nations theory. Finally, after that, in February 1947, Mountbatten was came to power. Is the last viceroy of India. So last viceroy of Indian, you can say that at the time of when British is going to rule the country, at the time the last viceroy is the highest position of the British government, and this person was replaced with the Wavell. So before of Mountbatten, Wavell was there. So after the Wavell, Mountbatten has come to the power and is a one person taken a responsibility to divide the country based upon the religion basis. So finally, under the supervision of Mountbatten, they accepted to give that northwestern frontier of Pakistan. NWFP is a division. Present we have the Pakistan country in the region of northwestern side of India. We have the NWF, that you can say that northwestern frontier of Pakistan, and Punjab was divided into two places. So western east, the western side of Punjab was joined into the Pakistan, and also that East Bengal, that you can say that Bangladesh. So at the time of 1947, this place is also comes under the control of Pakistan only, and also the Sindhu. So this is also one of the area that you can find in the region of western side of Punjab and Haryana, that you can get this Sindhu region where the near of Indus River. So these are the areas together. They form the separate country. So Mountbatten made a plan. He divided the country based upon the religion. Minority people means at the time minorities was Muslims, and that they found in the areas of northwestern frontier of Pakistan, western side of Punjab, eastern side of Bengal, and also that Sindhu areas was formed together, and they gave that independence. Means they accepted to transfer powers in 1947 August 14th. Pakistan got independence one day before than to us. In 1947 August 15, India got independence. So this is in a system which we got independence. So one more time, try to understand that what is happened. So British appointed 3 members committee, that is Sir Stanford Cripps, Alexander, and Frederick Lawrence. These are the people. They came to India and they came to in Delhi, and they took more than 3 months of time. And by discussing all the members, they accepted to give independence to the India. So for that, they gave the 3 alternatives. Some of the parties was accepted. Mainly the Congress party and Muslim League was the majority parties at the time. These 2 parties was not accepted because Muslim League want the separate country. Congress party doesn't want to give that separate country. So the reason Muslim League is gone for direct actions. So because they are feeling that with the discussions and the negotiations, we cannot bring that separate country. So with that, almost all the people of where the majority of Muslims are there, so they gone to that direct action day in the region of 1946. At the time, a lot of strikes, dharnas, and riots was occurred. In this issue, a lot of people was lost their life. Finally, with a tough, we can say that with a tough heart, Indians was accepted the demands of separate country. So the region, India and Pakistan was become. Finally, in 1947 February, Wawel was replaced with that. Means Mountbatten was replaced with the Wawel, and this Mountbatten wants to give independence to that based upon the religion. So they gave that northwestern frontier of Pakistan and also that Punjab western side and eastern side of Bengal was all together. They gave the separate country for Pakistan. They gave independence in 1947 August 14th, and India became an independent in 1947 and August 15th. If you want to know about these all the things, we have the two movies that you can see in the Amazon Prime. One is a movie Gold. So in that movie of Gold also, there we can see that what is happened at the time of 1947 partition time, and how the film was based upon the hockey. But even though we can found that what are the problems was happened at the time of partition, particularly in the region of Punjab side, even in the region of Bengal side, in other areas also. And we can understand that the feelings of India. Even we can watch that movie Bagh Milka Bagh. In that movie also we can watch that how the partition of India is happened, what are the problems was occurred, how the problems of the people what are the problems the people was faced. These all the things we watched in some different movies. Even there are some movies based upon the partition of India in 1947. So now we see that other things, how the partition and migration was occurred. Partition means separation of a country, that is separating from India and Pakistan. Migrating means moving from India to Pakistan or Pakistan to India. So India to Pakistan or Pakistan to India. So moving from one place to another place is called as migration. So in 1947, and every people they understand the position, the country is going to be divided. When the country is going to be divided, maximum people of Hindus, those even in the region of Pakistan before of 1947, lot of Hindus found in the region of Lahore, even in the area of Karachi, in some other areas also we found this more Hindus. When it was partition was done, at the time it is a matter of more than 1.5 crores of people. So it is not that one or two members. It's a matter of 1.5 crores of people. They have to be go from the India to Pakistan or Pakistan to India, because it is a lot of people, because there are some people of Pakistan is also doesn't like the division. Even that there are some of the Hindus in the region of Pakistan and there are some of the Muslims in the region of India. Even that there are some Hindus of Pakistan, and also that Pakistan Muslims also doesn't like the division, but finally they accepted this one. When this division was happened, lot of people they have to travel from India to Pakistan and they have to settle. Because you take an example, a long days before, it means when the Telangana and Andhra was divided, at the time also there is some insecure feeling between the Andhra and also the Telangana. And there are some of the political leaders are going to comment based upon their different regions. So a lot of insecure feelings is also happened. So that is a modern days we understand somewhat. But before of 1947, when the division was happened, you can say that when the separation was happened, when in the borders, Muslims they hate that Hindus because they're feeling that Hindu was the responsible for dividing the country. Or Hindus was feeling that Muslims was responsible for separation of the country. So because of that, a lot of fights and lot of issues was happened. In this issue also lakhs of people is also lost their life. You see that there are some of the pictures was given in your textbook. You see, there are some of the people is going on the bullock carts, and some of the old women was carrying by the two of the children, and there are some of the people are going on the goods train, and there are some of the children who are sitting, they don't know ideally because they don't know what they how to do that. There are some of the people they are traveling in the desert region also. So this is a thing is happened in every place, even in the region of Bengal also. The people they are fighting, and a lot of people is also lost their life even in the region of northwestern side also. By seeing this, Mahatma Gandhi, because he's a one person feeling that he's a father of a nation, and he doesn't want to celebrate the first Independence Day, so he was stayed in the region of Nakoli, a place of Bengal region. So Nakoli is a place that you can find in the region of Bengal. So there he stayed, and he is try to control the Muslim and also the Hindu feelings. Finally, after this, all the biggest clauses is happened between the Muslims and Hindus in the region of borders. A lot of members are going to be lost their life, and all the Congress leaders are trying to be stop these fights and also that in everything. But the position is uncontrollable. It is a matter is. It is gone to the people, and the people they are fighting for each other. So no one is unable to control that. This situation is taken for long days of time. Finally, Indian government is made a one rule. Even though India is a Hindu nation at the time of division of a country, but India is a one country is given priority for one rule, that you can say that the rights of minorities. It means in India, everyone is having a right. There is no difference between that Muslims and Hindus, and every person can stay. And they arranged there some different type of refugee camps for providing this like some shelter to the people, those who lost their houses in these issues. And also that the government of India is also provided refugees camps, and by providing some shelter, food, clothes also. And because Congress government doesn't like that two nation theory even from the starting days onwards, because they doesn't like that two nation theory. They like that one nation theory. They want that brotherhood feelings. They want the unity. So because of this, all the things was a problem is happened. But whatever that finally, even that India is standing for secular state, it means we are not giving priority for one religion. All the religions should be get priority in the region of India. So that is a one. So because of partition, a lot of people they have to be transferred from India to Pakistan and Pakistan to India. And also in this aspect, a lot of people they got that seriousness. A lot of fights was occurred. A lot of people was lost their life, and a lot of members was going to be committing suicides. And there are some people they lost the mothers, fathers, sisters, and every crime is happened at the time. And finally, after long days onwards, this position was somewhat become that cool. Now see that how the Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. I'm writing that MG Mahatma Gandhi. Assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. So India got independence in 1947 August on 15, and everyone is very happy. They are very busy with celebrating of Independence Day. But Mahatma Gandhi was in the region of Nakoli. Nakoli is a place that you can find in the region of Bengal. Because here this is the place where there's a place comes between the East Bengal and the West Bengal, where that Muslims and Hindus was having the same almost equal majority. So because of that, lot of rights. Rights means in Telugu you can say the Allarulu. Lot of riots was taken place. So he stayed there for controlling all the riots till 9th September 1947. So he stayed in the region of Nakoli till 9th September 1947. After hearing this news of separation and also all the rights, Mahatma Gandhi is going for fasting. because we know that what is meant by fasting. So after that, a lot of years he was in insecure feeling because he tried for lot for the development of Hindu and Muslim, but all the Hindu and Muslim brothers was fought in the region of Pakistan, even in the region of Bangladesh, even in these both countries also. So that is in one thing. So he's feeling that a lot of members also they lost the life. That is also one of the thing. Finally, some section of the people they are annoyed. Annoyed means they are angry towards to the Mahatma Gandhi, because Mahatma Gandhi is a one person is called as father of nation and is responsible for the independence of India, and is a one person is responsible for independence. So because of that, no one, for example, if take an example, I'm a teacher, I'm teaching social studies. So no, I cannot expect that 100% of the people likes me, or 100% of the people they have the very good understanding of my class. Similarly, here also everyone and every person we cannot expect that same like from everyone, same response from the everyone's side. Similarly, there are some different sections of the people. Some people they love Mahatma Gandhi, and some people they hate that Mahatma Gandhi, and also that there are some of the people they annoyed that it means they are not happy with the Mahatma Gandhi, because of Mahatma Gandhi only the division is happened. There are some people they believe like this. So there are some different type of disturbances when Mahatma Gandhi is going for prayers, and they are doing that some different type of disturbances in the sense of they are doing the strikes, dharnas and everything when the Mahatma Gandhi is going for what is saying that some different type of things. Take an example, there is a one is going for prayers, that is not for one religion prayer, is going for all religious prayers. There was a one issue because on 28th January 1948, there is a one attempt was occurred. There is a one attempt was occurred on 28th January 1948 for killing that Mahatma Gandhi. Because before I said that there are some section of the people they are very happy. There are some section of the people they are not happy with the Mahatma Gandhi. They are annoyed the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi, and there are some people they are doing that dharnas and strikes against of the Mahatma Gandhi. So one day, because he has a habit, is going for prayer. That's not for a one religious prayer. Is going for all religious prayer. When one day when he's going for a prayer, there was a one attempt to kill that Mahatma Gandhi. 2 days of his actual death, because his actual death was 30th January 1948. So before of this, 2 days before, there was a one attempt was occurred. After the attempt, he was given a one slogan. I'll read the slogan. You try to understand that. If I am to die, imagine. Try to understand that. If I am to die by the bullet of madman. So you know that what is meant by a mad. Mad means pitchy in Telugu. So mentally imbalanced people is called as mad. So he's saying that if I am to die by the bullet of a madman, I must do smiling. Smiling means we know that even if the person is going to kill, I will be smile. So there must be no anger within me. So there is no anger within me. So God must be in my heart and on my lips. So did you get the point? So he said a one famous slogan before of actual of his death, after the attempt was failed. If I am to die by the bullet of a madman, I must do so smiling. There must be no anger within me. God must be in my heart and on my lips. So finally, within a few days, that's the day which 30th January 1948, when he's going for prayer. At the time, Nathuram Godse is one of the member of Whisper. His name is called as So on 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse, Hindu Mahasabha member, he was gave 3 bullet shot to that Mahatma Gandhi, and after the 3 bullet shot with there is going for all religious prayer meeting. When this going for all prayers meeting, Nathuram Godse shot three bullets, and he lost his Mahatma Gandhi's. There is an assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. When he's going to last, he said that one word. The word is Hey Ram. So before of losing his life, he said a word is called as Hey Ram. So there is a Nathuram Godse is a Hindu Mahasabha person. He tried to kill that Mahatma Gandhi. So after a lot of attempts, but he gave with the gun. Finally, he escaped from the place, and police caught him in a place of Bombay, and that's one thing. But the position is, you can understand that one of the great leader of India, Mahatma Gandhi, is also assassinated by a person, Hindu Mahasabha. Finally, this Hindu Mahasabha is also cancelled by the Indian government in 14th February 1947. So this is the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. So this is because Nathuram Godse is a one person and a different person's mentality. That is, we have to learn according to our textbooks. Then you see that the last one, integration of states. So we got independence in 1947. There are 550 princely states, which comes under the control of kings and rajas, and there are some comes under the control of landlords also. Take an example. So we got independence in 1947, but even though in 1947 also there are some of the states which comes under the control of princely states. Princely states means kings and also the landlords. So after that, the first Home Minister of our India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardarji. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was taken a responsibility to unite the country of India. So the reason the first Home Minister, and also that is a symbol for unity, because we know the Statue of Unity made by the Narendra Modi sir. So we can understand the position of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel greatness, and he talked with almost all the princely states, and there are some of the states were joined under the India, and there are some of the states were joined under the control of Pakistan, and almost all the states they accepted to join with that India or Pakistan, but except with the 3 states. One is that Jammu and Kashmir, ruled by Maharaja Rana Pratap, and also that we know that one more, our Hyderabad state, which is ruled by Nizam, and next one is Junagadh also. Finally, after with the little force, Junagadh is also joined, and Hyderabad's Nizam was not having any interest to join with the Indian nation. So then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they sent an army with the forcefully they occupied the Hyderabad state, and till 1956 this Hyderabad state somewhat indirectly it is influenced with the Nizam only, because he maintained the Hyderabad state as a Raj Pramukh for a few years of time. But even though this state is also merged into the Indian Union at the time of 1948. Finally, Jammu and Kashmir ruler is also accepted to join in the region of Indian Union with some rules and regulations. We know that article number 370, this one which is removed by the Narendra Modi government nowadays, and these all the things. Finally, this Hyderabad and Junagadh and Jammu Kashmir is also joined in the region of Indian union. And one more thing was, when the king or a prince are going to be joined, what they are going to get the benefits. They will get some of the money and also called as princely purses. That you can say that princely, otherwise called as privy purses. So what is meant by privy purses? Privy purses means a pension which is given by government to the rulers, those who rule our country. So it means there are 550 princely states was rule our country. So those who are joined in the region of Indian Union, for them Indian government accepted to pay their sum of the pension in the form of privy purses. And this one is cancelled by Indira Gandhi government at the time of 1971. Till 1971, Indian government, they paid some of the money as a pension to the ruler. So this is in a information regarding your lesson. So one more time. So what we learn in this chapter. So we know that how India was partitioned. First is that India supported to the British government in the World War II or not. Next, why the ministers of India, they resigned to the post when they came into power in 1937. Why they resigned in 1939, and formation of 1906 Muslim League, and why British government following the divide and rule policy, and also the demands of the Muslim League. And next one is Pakistan resolutions made by Muhammad Iqbal and also Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, and demands of Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the role of Maulana Azad. And also that we also learned that Subhash Chandra Bose support in the World War II, for whom he supported, for why he was formed with the POW, and also that after the World War II, what is the position of POWs, and how the British, they punished to that POW, prisoners of army, otherwise called as INA, and why Indian nation means Royal Navy and textile workers and farmers of different area, they fought that movement against of the British government. And also we learned that even in 1945 British want to give the independence, but Muslim League came in the middle and they're demanding for separate nations. That I explained today. And also next, Direct Action Day. What are the effects, why Indians was accepted for the independence, and why Indians are accepted for dividing the two nations, and at the time of division, what are the problems was happened, and how Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated, and why Mahatma Gandhi was not celebrated that first Independence Day, and how these all 550 princely states were joined, and what is privy purses. These are all the things you learn in this class. And so we meet you in the next Zoom class. I'm going to start next lesson. Thank you very much.